everybody, I'm Charlotte Kudrick, and today, welcome to Season 3 of Bird Idol. So, today we're going to be gathering 5 of the birds with the most unique calls and songs, and they're going to be performing them for us today. We're so lucky. So today, our 5 different competitors are the common cowl, not to be confused with Simon Cowell, the eastern bluebird, the American tree sparrow, the red-breasted nuthatch, and the trumpeter swan. I'm so excited! Hello! I am the common cowl, and I am super excited. So I'm going to be telling you a few things about me. In the wintertime, I live in Australia, but when the summertime comes, I migrate to either New Guinea, Indonesia, or Wales. I like to live in a suburban area, but sometimes those aren't available, so I move into tall forests. I love to eat figs. That's my favorite food. I love eating figs. And one thing that's special about me is me and my group have a very distinctive red eye. So I'm going to be performing my song for you. Thank you. Good night. Goodbye. Oh, that was just wonderful. Thank you, Common Cowl. Now let's turn our eyes back over to the stage, where our friend from here in the U.S., the eastern bluebird, takes the stage. Hello. I am the eastern bluebird, and as Charlotte said, I live in the U.S., eastern U.S., but I do live in parts of Mexico and Canada as well. Sorry, I'm really nervous. So, I live in, fields and farms, and I love open areas. Now, my song is a little bit more gentler. It is more on the feminine side. It's not quite as, shall I say, blatantly obvious as the other bird's song was. A fun fact, I mainly eat bugs. It's a fun fact. Okay, so today I'm going to be performing my song. It's such an honor to be on the show. Well, thank you, Charlotte. Thank you, Kendra. Oh, I can't believe it! Tonight, those birds are setting this place on fire. Well, let's attract our attention over to the American tree sparrow on stage now. And, hello, I am the American tree sparrow. Now, I live in the little tiny bit of Canada and all the way down to the south of the United States. So, I eat seeds, berries, and insects. So I have pretty hearty living. And me and my family, we like to stay in small packs and hunt along the ground. We don't go in those trees because they are a waste of our time. We don't like those trees. So instead, we like nest and stay on the ground. And I like open woodland habitats. So that's a little bit about me. So now I am going to be performing my bird song. So I really hope y'all enjoy. yeah. I cannot tell y'all how much fun that was. So thank y'all. Wow, that was really impressive. So now we're handing the floor over to our very own Trumpeter Swan. Hello, I am the Trumpeter Swan, and I am typically found in like bits of Canada and little tiny places in the United States, but I am mostly found in Canada. So I love lakes and ponds, which is kind of ironic, because I swim all day long. But I love to sing, and I love to eat plants. Now, this is kind of a sad family fact, but for years I was hunted for my beautiful feathers, but I take it as a compliment because my feathers are so beautiful. So, here's my flight call. Thank you. I know, I'm a wonderful honker. Wow, that was absolutely amazing. Well, I'm not going to waste any more time talking. Let's turn it over to the red-breasted nuthatch. Woo! Hello. So I, as Charlotte said, am the red-breasted nuthatch. So I use what I call the Enk call. So special thing about me is the underside of my belly is a beautiful cinnamon color, as you can see. That's my special thing. So I like to live in forests and mountains. Now, here's a warning to all those other competitors. I can be pretty aggressive toward those other birds at feeders. So, watch out. Here, ready or not, here the red-breasted nuthatch comes. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Such an honor. Okay, it is the moment we have all been waiting for. The winner of Season 3, Bird Idol, is... Congratulations to the